चलिए बड़ी खबर आपको बता दें, अपनी पार्टी के पीडीपी सरबराह महबूबा मुफ्ती पर निशाना साधा है डॉक्टर फारूक अब्दुल्ला ने। जी हां, इस वक्त की बड़ी खबर आपको बता दें, फारूक अब्दुल्ला का पीएजीडी को लेकर और इस वक्त मीडिया से बात करें डॉक्टर फारूक अब्दुल्ला। लिए चलते हैं आपको।
I am concerned, I have nothing, no differences in that.
So sir, will you dial Mehbooba because she is saying that every time Farooq Saab used to dial me?
Look, I've got my own problems. I've got to sort out my problems.
तो असेंबली इलेक्शन में आप साथ में आएंगे?
जब असेंबली इलेक्शन हो जाएगा तब मुझसे आप पूछिएगा, मैं आपको बता दूंगा। और बताइए।
Sir, Akhilesh Yadav has said that Hitler was there for 10 years. Now the 10 years of the Modi government has been completed. Now people will throw them out. How do you see this Hitler remark for the Prime Minister by Akhilesh Yadav?
I will not comment on Akhilesh Yadav. I do not know what he has said and under what conditions he has said that. As far as the Prime Minister is concerned, he is not a BJP Prime Minister. People who voted for him were 37%. But when he became the Prime Minister, he represents every Indian. 1.4 billion people of India he represents when he goes abroad also. He doesn't represent BJP. He represents Muslim, Hindu, Sikh, Isai, every single religion. And those who have no religion in India, he represents them also. He's our Prime Minister.
So do you feel that these kind of statements...
bad, I think.
I do not know what he has said and don't want me to comment on it.
Yesterday, Omar also said that the political parties should refrain from making such statements on the Prime Minister because it gives them a clear...
Look, you are still repeating the same thing. What more clearance do you want from us? He is Prime Minister. He is Prime Minister of India so long as he is on that chair. The day he goes out of that chair, then he is no longer the Prime Minister.
सर एलपीजी पे 100 रुपए कम कर दिए थे, क्या कहेंगे इस पर?
बहुत अच्छी बात है, कुछ गरीबों को फायदा हो जाएगा। उसके बाद देखिए जब हुकूमत आएगी कैसे चढ़ जाएगा वो भी आप देख लेंगे।
So sir, do you feel that they will be getting repeated again? You said that.
Who knows यार, अगर मेरे पास वो तिलिस्मी चिराग होता ना और मैं उसको हिलाता और उसको कहता जिनको यार ये बता कि who's going to win, how many seats is going to win, I would be glad, I would tell you कि कौन कहाँ जीतेगा कौन हारेगा, but I don't have that. मैं खुदा से कहूँगा मेरे घर में एक लड़ा भेज दे आज रात को, तो कल मुझसे पूछ लेना, मैं बता दूंगा।
Sir, you have been pretty honest with your statements. What you feel the future of the India Alliance for now?
I'm sure Indian Alliance will always grow. It is for the future of India, future of everybody. It wants democracy. It wants secular India, where we all can live in peace, in harmony and progress. India is for all. India is not Pakistan. Indian Constitution was framed on these lines, that we are all one. How does it matter what religion you hold, what language you speak, what your culture is? But as far as India is concerned, it is united India.
Sir, you said India is not Pakistan. In Pakistan, we have a new government. Today also, the new president of Pakistan is coming. Possibly Asif Ali Zardari will be the Prime Minister, the president. How do you see it is going to impact its relations with India as far as Kashmir is concerned?
Sir, you asked me such a strange question. Very pointed question. What Pakistan does is their problem. As far as I am concerned, it is their nation. It is for them to decide whether they want to live in peace with our nation or they don't want to live in peace with nation. Kashmir has acceded to India by the Maharaja of Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir, Maharaja Hari Singh Ji. That accession is even today and that accession will last forever. We are part of India. So there is no problem for us. It is for them to decide what they want to do.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
तो डॉक्टर फारूक अब्दुल्ला मीडिया से बात कर रहे थे और पीएचडी को लेकर उन्होंने बयान दिया है। पीडीपी सरबराह महबूबा मुफ्ती के कल के बयान पर भी उन्होंने अपनी बात रखी और इसके अलावा पाकिस्तान की जो मौजूदा हालात हैं, पाकिस्तान की जो सियासत है, उस पर भी डॉक्टर फारूक अब्दुल्ला ने अपना बयान दिया है और उन्होंने ये भी कहा है कि इंडिया ब्लॉक जो है मजबूती से लड़ेगा, इंडिया ब्लॉक जो है वो मजबूत है और डेमोक्रेसी के लिए इंडिया ब्लॉक का मजबूत होना जरूरी है। हालांकि नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस 3 सीटों पर लड़ने के लिए बजिद है। उमर अब्दुल्ला ने कल प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की थी, उसके बाद महबूबा मुफ्ती ने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की थी और उसमें उन्होंने तबसरा किया था और लगातार इंडिया ब्लॉक में जम्मू कश्मीर में यानी पीडीपी और नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस में बयानबाजियों का दौर चल रहा है।